everyone, happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are all doing good and enjoying this beautiful weather. Today's recipe is a steak marinade to make some steaks on the barbecue, yay! And I served it with some sweet potato fries and some grilled onion because I got a big bag of onions from Costco for my sister, so we need to use them up. Okay, this marinade is super easy. It's about 2 to 3 hours before you cook the steaks, and it is so delicious. You don't need any sauces to accompany your steak, which is the best way to eat a steak. Okay, the steaks that I got are very thick and they're from Costco. They're very, very delicious. I didn't look at what they were called, but yeah, they look really beautiful and you guys will see that in the video here. And that's pretty much it that I have to say right now. Let's get started. Okay you guys, that is pretty much it. As you can see, I did my steaks on the barbecue. Feel free to cook them however you like. And for the onions, if you're grilling them, just very carefully place the whole circles onto the grill. You could also do those in the oven and just roast them. You don't have to do the onions. Like I said, I just need to use them up. And you can probably also see that my sweet potatoes were a little bit mushy. And that is because I was baking banana bread at the same time and the oven was too low. So when you guys make it, it will turn out better than how mine looked, and I did get a little slack for that. Sorry to my sister. So that is basically it. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and also look out for the banana bread recipe because I will be posting a little video for that too. This banana bread is the best you will ever taste. I just discovered the recipe last week and it stays soft for a few days, which is, oh my god, it's so good. Okay, I'll stop talking now and that's it. See you guys on Friday.